You want to learn how to do your brows? Let's get into it. First, you want to go in with a brow gel of your choice. My favorite at the moment is the e.l.f. Brow Lift and the Applicator. You're going to take a small amount of product on your spoolie, distribute your product evenly, and then go in with the flat side and use that to press the product in. Next, I'm going to go in with my Kiss Lash Glue. Yes, lash glue. This is honestly a game changer for me, for real. I rake a bit of product on my eyebrow and use the same apply and distribute method with my applicator tool. Just make sure you move quickly because eyelash glue dries fast. Now that we have all of our glue on our brow, now we're going to sculpt the shape of our eyebrow. And this is fairly easy. All you got to do is follow the natural shape of your arch. Just really take your time and manipulate your brows and your shape will find itself easily. Now all you have to do is clean up all the excess glue. I'm using a 50-cent sponge from the beauty supply store. Now I'm going to repeat everything on my other brow. I can honestly say this is a bulletproof eyebrow tutorial. Like when I tell you this is heat resistant, humidity resistant, everything, my brows will not move at all. Just make sure you practice. It takes time. But when you do pick up that method, your eyebrow is going to be on fleek. The fuck? Anyways, now you're going to let your brows dry for a little bit. Now that my makeup is halfway done, we can finally get back into the tutorial. Now I'm going in with my tried and true NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. And I'm going to show y'all this process in real time so that y'all can really see what I'm doing. I let my eyebrows dry down before I go in with any product because it removes that tacky layer from my brows so that my brows can last longer. And since we did that process early on, we don't have to do too much work because our brows are already molded into shape. All you need to do now is mimic the direction that your brows are going. Take your time and slowly create little brow hairs to enhance your brows definition. For the lower half of your brow, you want to make sure you're adding a decent pressure so that the tail and the lower half of your brow are deeper in color. When you start moving up to the upper half of your brow, you want to make sure that you're using a slight and easy pressure. And this helps so that your brows aren't too blocky or bolted in. This takes a lot of practice though. Trust me, I had eyebrow blindness for the longest time. It's okay because we live and learn. But anyways, now we're going to carve out our brows using the e.l.f. Halo Glow in the shade 5. And I apply the product using a flat shader brush. The one that I'm using specifically is from an Amazon pack, but there are many other choices that you can choose from. I'm also blending out the product using a paw blender, which these are so much better than the original beauty blenders. You can argue with the bomb. And I'll link all these products in the description box so you guys can check them out for yourself. Now I'm going in with the Lift and Snatch brow pen from NYX, and I'm going to lightly refill in the tip of my brow. And I only do this step when I accidentally biff it and take off too much of my brows, so it's not necessary. It's very optional. But yep, carve out the bottom first, blend that out, do the top, and just take your time. Y'all, oh my god, tell me why my phone died. I had to start all over. But anyways, on to the last and final step. I usually go in with this brow mascara from Maybelline, but it is discontinued. But I have no fear. There are other great options out there that are just as good. I just take this product and lightly apply it onto my brows. And I just use this to even out the color on both of my brows. And just like that, you're done. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Drop some love in the comments, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.